Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in a month, easy method. Start by mapping exam dates and listing topics by priority, then assign each topic to specific weeks. Build daily 25-minute focus sessions with clear goals and one practice problem per session. Reserve full practice exams on weekends and review mistakes immediately. Keep sleep and nutrition steady to improve memory and energy for consistent progress toward test day success. Create a daily rhythm with short, intense study blocks and small, specific goals for each block. Start with a quick review of yesterday's notes, then dive into the hardest topic while you are fresh. Finish with a 5-minute quiz or flashcard check to reinforce learning. Track mistakes and move them to a review pile so you can revisit weak points at the end of each study day for steady improvement. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical study guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable during long study marathons. Check the description for that link and other deals if you want the exact pair I use. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize practice under realistic exam conditions to train timing and reduce anxiety. After every practice test, spend focused time reviewing errors and summarizing correct approaches in a single page. Use spaced repetition to cycle older material back into study weeks, and practice mixed problem sets to improve transfer between topics. This method builds confidence and helps you polish exam strategy so you arrive ready and calm on test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.